That bitch gonna sound right, though. What's up, gang? So I know it's been a minute, man. It's been a long time since I uploaded on this channel. Honestly, I've been grinding on the we've been grinding on the family channel, which will be right here. So please make sure you go subscribe to Shay and Kai. I'm about to say my channel. Shay and Kai, go subscribe over there and turn your post notifications, as well as subscribe to this channel and turn your post notifications. In this video, I really didn't have to do an intro, so I'm doing it right now. I'm editing the video. I forgot I didn't do an intro, so shooting it for y'all right now. And I just drove the Hellcat, and it's no joke. Y'all gonna check it out in a second. But just stay tuned. Got a lot coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and click your notification bell, man. And let's run it up together. On the road to 2K, man. On the road to 2K, man. So let's do it, y'all. Stay tuned. How would you activate the key?
You would have to go to launch control. So.
Oh, okay. So
See,
right now this
and then
is
the
black.
SRT. But now, hold on. Left.
Left.
Yeah. Where am I at? Yeah, it's on normal. Should be. Yep.
So this is the black right now?
Yeah, just regular.
And the black has how many horsepower again?
45 if I'm not mistaken.
45.
And then it goes to 707.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be scared, man. Drive it.
Cause you know it's not my car. You feel me?
No, you do.
You feel me? Hear that whine? And they got the I forgot what it's called, the Brimroll.
The Brembo brakes.
Brimroll brake.
You're gonna make it right here.
Make it right.
Yep. All right. Check the mailbox.
So like the red key 707, of course. That's 707. So you think I can stop right here? And how do you activate it again? I don't think you can do it while driving. But it's track mode.
Alright. Should be fine.
It's the red key now?
Yep.
You keep going straight, you said?
Yeah. Just be careful, alright?
Okay, for sure. Driving for real.
Actually, the black case is 500.
500?
It's not 45. Yeah.
Okay. So the black key is even more than the regular 392?
Yeah. Actually,
Oh, this is back regular?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So whenever you want, just do a U-turn.
Okay. And 1,000 subscribers.
Okay.
And then they start paying.
So you don't get paid by the views, you get paid by how many times, like, the amount?
You do get paid. Oh, so it's of course it's a process though. It's a process, but so like for every 1,000 views, let's say your CPM is $200, you get $200 every 1,000 views. So you can do the math. Let's say you get 10,000 views.
Yeah.
Do 200 times 10.
Yeah.
You're looking for 1,000 feet.
That's fine.
That's not that.
My boy gets paid $10,000 a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta think about it, though. That's nothing to the YouTuber because the YouTuber make it.
Yeah.
They make it that in one video.
They making about 60,000 a month, I
Oh
think.
God.
Yeah.
You make up to 100,000 easy on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
For real, for real. So that's not.
Okay, I see.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So I'm gonna make that money back. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm keeping on straight, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make that money back. Just like that. So.
You trying to buy a Scat or a Hellcat?
Hellcat, it was my first choice. But I know that.
No, I'm sorry.
For sure. I didn't even see it. Came at the back way, I think.
Go this way,
Mm-hmm.
and then make a left.
But I saw the monthly on this is like 1,400, right?
Yeah, it could be.
Mm-hmm. I know the Scat probably, because it all takes steps. So